Hello everybody and welcome to Alex's Dojo. Today we are going to be making a little short video, but actually not. This is how messy my room is, but never mind that. So today I will be showing you how to do Kung Fu moves to reject your style. With this you can get any move from your hands. Hut. Okay? So first, this is the Kung Fu stand. So first, you're going to put two of your hands, you're going to flip them around. Once you're in this space, you're going to go even down, you're going to push them together, and bam. Okay? Remember that. Okay? If you want to reject it, you can do this. Okay? Then I'll learn that later. So when you're in this position, what you're going to do is you're going to punch, you're going to scratch, you're going to scratch your balls, or you're going to kick. Okay? The kick doesn't do much, but you can do this. Okay? So next we have this. You're going to slide your arm here, then you're going to take it back, you're going to slide your arm here, then your other arm's going to go there, and then you're going to do this. Instead of the same thing, you're going to bend as hard as you can. And then you can do this. Come on. And then punch. Okay? So let me show you this. This is how to do the arm spin. Hut. Okay? So first you're going to spin and kick around. And then after that you're going to punch. So we have other weapons here we're going to learn. So first up, we have a knife. You have a knife. So if an enemy tries to stab you with a knife, make sure you do something else. So if you've seen this before, please tell me at my class or school that I did already, and then make another video. And right after this, I'll make another video. So if an enemy tries to stab you with this knife, like a knife, you're going to slap it. You're gonna slap it like this instead of like this. You're gonna slice your arm up, okay? Then you're gonna slap it like that. Then what you're gonna try and do is gonna do that. When you do the slice, take off your hand as quickly as you can, punch the knife off, and then kick, okay? So like this. Hut. Okay? And you'll punch their knife off. But if they try to do it already and you already do the kick, that's not going to work, because you always start with the weapon, always, before they attack you. Okay? But if they have a two-sided weapon, I got that done. A two-sided weapon. Okay? So imagine there's two people were pointing guns at you. So what would you do? So instead you're going to bounce them. You're going to bounce them with your feet. So the way is this. You're going to lift up your feet. You're going to kick them both sides to miss. And then you're going to try and do a kangaroo jump at both of them. Or you're going to do a double slap. Once they drop their guns, you're not going to take them. You're going to break them as far as you can. You can throw them, you can break them. But don't throw like... Okay, that was actually... Okay, never mind that. Okay, so, oh God, no. Oh God, no! Oh God, nachos. Okay, just ignore that. Okay? Just ignore that. So, moving on. So, if a bandit tries to scare you with this, yeah. So, I know you want me to try this on. I have not looked at it yet, but here we go. Oh God. Okay, so here we go. You're going to put it on. Okay. This is how I look like. That's it. I look terrible, don't I? Okay, so if a bandit tries to scare you, what are you going to do? You're going to kick him, you're going to clutch him, whatever. But whatever you do, do not do nothing. You're going to ask him a few questions. It's going to say, Why are you doing that? Why are you why are you scaring me? And why do you look like a self-teenage boy that farted? Okay, you're gonna ask him that question. You're gonna get so mad. You're gonna punch him in the face. You're gonna slap him with his own masks, and then you're gonna push him in the face to blind him. You're gonna run away, or you're gonna do more to him. You can push him off the roof. You can do anything, but whatever you do, do not punch him in the crotch. You know why? Yes, if you punch him in the crotch, you gotta tell the police. But you just want to bully him. So that makes him not want to come back. Okay? If you do that in the crotch, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be self-murderer. So, moving on. So guys, you know about Wolverine? Yeah? We're gonna learn about that right now. Okay? So imagine if someone had real Wolverine claws and they're super sharp. What are you gonna do? They're gonna scratch you. So, how to block it? You're not gonna do this. You're gonna scratch it. You're not gonna do this. You're gonna scratch it again. But what you're gonna do is try to get in the middle, slice it down by your hand. Okay, so when they're about to attack, you're gonna do hut, hut. You're gonna slice it down. So when they do that, you're gonna hut-ya. You're gonna slice it down. You can do it from here, but the most defensive way is to do this. Okay? That's how you're gonna do it. So if they try to do that, do not be afraid. I know. So let's see what else I have. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'm gonna show you how to defeat a guy that's naked. So, a guy that's naked. You don't want to crotch him, it'll feel weird. Because if you do that, or he's drunk, you can do that. Then yeah, you're gonna be. And also, I have a bed here, bunk bed. So yeah, so you want to kick him in the head. That's fine. But the most offensive way is not the crotch. It's the butt. I know, guys. It's serious. Naked woman, naked persons, nothing, but just the butt. So I also have new videos gonna come out now. So thanks for watching and bye.